Alright guys, what's up? Hellspawn here, and another review for you. No, I did not accidentally put the camera too close. No, I did not accidentally zoom in. I left the camera focused just like I did for all the other reviews. So everything is in the same spot, but just to give you an idea of how much bigger this guy is than all the other ones, the camera has not been moved, the little turntable hasn't been moved. This is just how much more of the frame this guy takes up than the others. So that being said, let me go ahead and move the camera back some here. And then we'll tilt it up a little bit so you can get a good look at him. There you go. And this is the combiner, obviously, the Constructicons Devastator. Huge. Nothing else much you can say about it other than that. Probably one of the more detailed pieces, too. Devastator's got a big chunk of like eye-bar iron in his hands that he's mangled up, and you can see the different, like the cab of the different robots and the shovel scoop. This is kind of what I'm talking about, though. Even the G1 toys are a little more detailed in some aspects. Like if you look at the scoop, the shovel, see, those are the treads. Like these are the treads right here. They're not very detailed. It's like a box, and then they just added some little mish detail in there. So nothing crazy, nothing. This is supposed to be the crane arm from Hook. You can just see that it's all flat, and then there's like a little accent piece here, and then around the back, this is what the other end of the crane arm is. So not super detailed, but at the same time, they're still fantastic looking. So nice detail up in the chest and the head. Just a really good looking figure. Super gigantic, and I also noticed that when you walk over towards the shelf, you can actually smell them just walking near the shelf. So I'll give you a quick little buzz around the old Devastator here. One more rotation. Colors are all 100% accurate. Looks really cool. Just to give you an idea, like the base for the other ones will like fit in the palm of my hand, and my hand's really close to the camera, so it's not even that. If I put my hand back here with Devastator, you can see how much bigger he really is. But like the base, I can't even hold half of it in my hand. The other bases I can hold actually like in my hand like that. This guy, I can't even fit half of the base in my hand. So just to give you a little comparison, that's Ironhide right there in comparison to Devastator. So that's a normal 6-inch bust. He's about 8 to, I'd say more like 10 inches tall, and probably almost a foot wide. So he's huge. And again, in one of my earlier videos, I got him on eBay with shipping for like $21. So these things are definitely affordable, even for some of you younger kids out there that have allowances and stuff, and you can't afford statues and things like that because they're too expensive, so you mostly collect action figures and toys. That's cool. That's the way I started off when I got a better job making better money. That's when my collection started to grow because I had the money and I could afford it. But these you can afford now. So if you can afford a $15 action figure at Toys R Us by mowing a couple yards, go on eBay, man. You can definitely afford one of these guys. Like I said, I picked them up for $21, and it includes the shipping. So they're definitely good for the younger crowd as well that maybe doesn't have too much dispensable income. Again, just to give you a side-by-side, look at the difference. The thing is freaking gigantic, even comparing the two stands. But as you can see, Transformers, Devastator, Constructicons, Super Warrior, sculpted by Jason Ray. Again, 3,500 of these made, and I actually got a pretty low number on this one. All the other ones were kind of high, but this one is number 42. Number 42 of 3,500. So, pretty cool. Definitely going to have more to come. I know Wheeljack is readily accessible, so is Grimlock, so is Megatron, so is Shockwave. I'm watching that Cyclonus. Hopefully nobody picks it up, and I can get it for a good deal. And what was the other one? Ultra Magnus. That one is going to be a doozy to try and find. But cool stuff. Again, Transformers fan, G1, whatnot. Pick these guys up. And like I said, kids out there, if you can't afford some of the bigger stuff, this is a nice starting area for you guys. So anyhow, that's Hellspawn. That is my 6 Hard Hero cold cast porcelain Transformers G1 busts. And when I add to the collection, I will add to the reviews. You guys take care.